Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Crypto Cell, and today I will share with you about a project named as Webster. I already make a video on Webster and their project details, all the things is given in that video too. You can watch that video from my YouTube video list. It is about almost 3 weeks ago, and I will also give that link in my video description so you can go and watch full video of Webster. I will share their details in this video too so you can watch it too, and you can be able to win 1 Bitcoin from this ICO. You can be able to get it by just doing go, and you have to do a minimum purchase of 50 DLS, and in webs you can be able to participate in it. It is so easy. You can get webs too, and also you can be able to win 1 Bitcoin or 5 ETH or 10 BNB. It's up to your luck at which you want to be able to get it here. So I will share the detail in this video, so stay tuned and watch full video. If you are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon so you will get more updates and more video links in my future on my YouTube channel, and you can get it and you can easily be able to make money from them too. So first of all, you can see they have given about you can win 1 Bitcoin just by purchasing webs from August 1st to the September 1st. You can win first place 1 Bitcoin, second place 5 ETH, and third place 10 BNB. Now it's your luck that on which place you will come, and you can be able to get that. And just you have to purchase web from August 1st to the September 1st, and you can be able to on that places. How to participate? You have to click there, and to register on Webster wallet, make a minimum purchase, and that's it. You are already participating, and the draw will be able done live on their official YouTube channel on Sunday, September 1st at 8 p.m. NY time. You can see it here. You can participate with the unique user number designated by the Webster wallet, and the prize will be announced from third to first place. If you win, they will contact you directly by their email. Via email, they will contact you, and they will tell you that you have win and you are at that place, and you can be able to get 1 Bitcoin, ETH or BNB. It's depend on which place you are fall. You can see Webster ICO. It will be available on 1st August 2024 by Webster. You can be able to buy it. They have app, they have Webs coin, their roadmap, their white paper. I will give all the details. More informations are at coin market cap. You can be able to see it here. So if I go down, I will share that links with you, but I want to give you a review of little bit of this project. And they are worldwide giving service marketplace for local businesses, and they believe in empowering individuals through their technology. You can see they have disputive methods and blockchains. They have better word for everyone. What is Webster? So first of all, if you are worried that what is Webster, so Webster is basically the marketplace of service providers that aims to become a leader in the sector. So you can watch that video. And how does it work? They have different basically features given here. They have gathered suppliers from all over professional segments and socio-economic levels, and they are using geolocation in real time to provide fast and convenient services to their basically members, their clients, and connecting suppliers and granting a secure service in both directions like C2C. And they monitor, rate, and analyze service of suppliers with the objective of establishing price standards, quality profiles, and market analysis in the future. So you can see their white paper. The link is given. I will share that white paper in this video too. I will give a short review about the white paper too in this video. If you want a full review, you can go and watch the video which link is given in my video description. From Mexico to Latin America and then to the rest of the world, you can see their Webster wallet is given. You can connect it, and you can do scannings here, and you can use that here and make money from it. So their team is given Webster Foundation, and you can see the foundation is responsible for making decision regarding the project, and it composed a brand basically board of directors here. So and now I will share with you about their change beta here, so you can be able, so you can see there another pop-up about the Bitcoin that you can win 1 Bitcoin, 5 ETH or BNB. So must go and participate in it so that you can be able to win Bitcoin. At that time, the Bitcoin price approximately $62,000 here, and the BNB price is almost $590 something dollars. And you know about the ETH, the price is also going above 3,000. You can know about the price is going up and down, but these prices are like you will get that amount in a free, just you have to go and deposit a minimum of participation. You can see. So hello, do you want to exchange your webs beta tokens for official webs? You can do that. It is very easy. Just fill the form. You can do have to just fill. You have to give your email, country, beta amount in possession, and all the purchase CXI etc. How you can be able to buy it. So I will share with you how you can buy. Join now the biggest ICO of 2024, 11 days, 16 hours and approximately 22 minutes 36 seconds are remaining. Their price, special price is 0.037. Their total supply, you can see their logo is given, their symbol 60 per, they have 10% for the pre-sale, friends and family, 60% ICO and liquidity, 5% development, 5% legal and compliance, 5% marketing designs. You can see all that. The ISO prices, they have alpha phase only in August. You can see the price will be $0.037 buy webs with the every token you want. We count with three options of purchase. You can see $50 to $500. You will have a benefit of webs capital gain. If you go and buy with $800 to $2,000, you will get a benefit of webs capital gain plus 15% gift. So if you go more than 2800 USDT to the 5000 USD, you can be able to get plus 30% gift. You can be able to buy it now. So I will give open that link too, and you can able to go to the market cap and buy it. It's so easy option to buy basically the Webster, and the basically ICO is going on to start on August 1st, and the ICO is going last for 3 months. The only way to buy is by entering website starting August 1st and clicking on the buy button, and the system will send them to the Webster wallet where you can select how many webs you want to buy, and that's it. And you can win one Bitcoin, draw two from here. You can see the basically website details is given. I will change the language to the English, so we will get it clear from here. So you can see it here. Website news is given about Webster, popular token on BNB Smart Chain. All are given. You can see it here. Webster, their project announcement, the countdown officially begins. Webster is on Web3 and its mission is to solve problems that many people in the world are facing. You can see they have the Webster app, the web token, and its basically usability in the future will be impressive. You can see that here. So if I share with you the white paper, so you can see the white paper is given. You can read details from the white paper. You can download it, and you can see that they are different are given. You can go for it. The Webster, the introduction, they have the different details, challenges, service provider problems, and you can read all the details. And you can also join them on the social media like Twitter. You can go and join the website. Is a global service hub, is a sophisticated digital basically platform designed to seamlessly connect services. You can see the videos are going, and something big is happening on the Web3. They are going for the ICO. Their ICO will be start on 1st, so I will recommend you to join them, and you can be able to get more from it too. So you can win one Bitcoin draw, or you can win 5 ETH, or you can win 10 BNB. It depends on which basically you fall, and the ICO will be available on 1st August 2024. It will last for the 3 months. I share all the detail about it. So if you like my video, give thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.